Imagine a world where houses aren't built brick by brick, but printed layer by layer, like a giant cake but made of concrete. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, it's happening. But here's the real question. Can these 3D printed homes be not just fast and cheap to make, but actually smarter? Like, what if the walls themselves could help keep the house cool? Naturally, just by how they're designed. Now let me ask you this. What if the walls around you weren't just blocks of concrete, but designs inspired by seashells, honeycombs, or even spiderwebs? Welcome back to the R&D Lab by Engisphere, where we turn real engineering research papers into clear, engaging stories. Today, we're exploring a fascinating study from Taylor's University in Malaysia. The research team looked at how additive manufacturing, better known as 3D printing, combined with biomimicry could reshape how we build our homes and offices. Instead of sticking to flat, heavy concrete, they asked, what if we let nature guide our designs? Think about the perfect hexagons of a beehive, the strength of a spider's web, or the elegant spiral of a seashell. These aren't just pretty shapes, they're nature's way of solving structural and energy problems. So the researchers digitally printed wall designs using these patterns and tested how well they keep heat out in a hot, tropical climate. The results? Nature wins. Walls inspired by spirals and honeycombs kept indoor spaces cooler and needed less energy for air conditioning compared to plain concrete walls. And here's the bonus. They used less material too, which makes construction more sustainable. It's like giving buildings a natural superpower: stronger, cooler, and greener. This opens the door to an exciting future. Imagine cities where every wall is inspired by biology, saving energy and blending engineering with nature. So here's my question for you. If you could borrow one design from nature to improve the spaces we live in, what would you choose? Thanks for tuning in to the R&D Lab. Visit engisphere.com to explore the engineering concepts. Until next time, keep looking at nature not just for beauty but for inspiration.